Welcome to the SMG channel. As China's leading one-stop solution provider for steelmaking projects, SMG delivers complete steel production line equipment and turnkey project services, committed to helping clients build professional, reliable, and cost-effective steel plants. Now, let us follow SMG's lens into an intelligent bar production line within a high-bay steel mill and trace the movement of molten steel to see how high-quality bars are brought to life. Scene begins. The red-hot billet exiting the reheating furnace is steadily conveyed to the rolling zone by the discharge roller table. As it travels along the rollers, the glowing billet flows forward like a river of molten red steel, ready to face its first rolling challenge. At the alternating horizontal-vertical roughing mill, the billet comes under immense rolling force, as if pried open by a giant hand. It is gradually compressed, its sharp edges reshaped amid the resonant roar of the mill, and its cross-section progressively reduced. After roughing, the semi-formed bar enters the crank-type flying shear, where head and tail trimming is performed with precision, removing imperfect sections and preparing the material for the subsequent forming stages. The steel is then conveyed to the intermediate rolling mill for continued reduction, seamlessly integrated with the loop guiding system. The mill ensures the material is steadily directed to the next stage, with its contour sharpening and its profile becoming more defined. Next comes the rotary flying shear. After rough and intermediate rolling, the billets have already begun to take the shape of bars. The rotary flying shear performs precise trimming of both ends, ensuring the material enters the pre-finishing mill in optimal condition. The steel bars then enter the alternating flat and vertical pre-finishing rolling mill, where they undergo further reduction through multiple rolling passes. Immediately afterward, the steel passes through a high-speed water spray box, where forced cooling effectively regulates the surface temperature. Refines the microstructure, and enhances material performance. After water box cooling, the bars are guided by the surrounding roll system to another rotary flying shear, ensuring a steady feed into the finishing rolling section. In the finishing mill, the bars enter the critical stage of final shaping. The billets are progressively rolled at high speed, with the glowing steel meticulously formed inch by inch, achieving dimensional precision that meets finished product standards. The finished bars pass through the water spray box a second time for controlled cooling, ensuring uniform and reliable material properties. After leaving the finishing mill, the bars enter the multiple-length flying shear for cutting to specified lengths. They are then accurately separated by the bar distributor and directed onto different conveyor lines. The braking rolls provide gradual speed control, allowing the high-speed bars to decelerate smoothly and continue moving steadily. Under the operation of the rotary hub steel feeding system, the bars are neatly conveyed into the cooling bed area. Through natural cooling, they gradually achieve uniform and stable temperature distribution. Subsequently, the cooled bars enter the cut-off shear, where they are cut to their final specified lengths. The cut bars are conveyed to the automatic bar distribution system. A counter records quantities in real time, while the bar distributor accurately separates the material and feeds batches of bars into the automatic bundling machine. The neatly arranged finished bars are securely bundled by the bundling machine, after which an automated welding robot attaches identification tags. A batch of high-quality bars successfully completed and ready for shipment. With our mature technology, comprehensive services, and experience from hundreds of global projects, we provide complete steel production line equipment and turnkey project solutions. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.